Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the accessory chrome package with chrome inserts on the hood and chrome door handle inserts, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, silk beige MD Tex interior, the brown eucalyptus trim, sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, cup holders. This GLE has 14,383 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.